Ladies, gentlemen, I'm very sorry not to be with you as the former years in Ljubljana this morning, but fortunately, upon all of us, we have energy union. What is energy union? For me, rather an EU energy question mark. More an energy union question mark? That's me. More? Why not? Energy union is or isn't? Energy union is not a new institution for EU energy policy. No institution is being created. Therefore, it's only a political, or mainly a political novelty from Commission Juncker with Vice President Energy Union Šefčovič on the top of Commissioner Cañete, being himself on the top of both climate and energy. The content has been unveiled only on 25th of February. It was hardly foreseen at the time of the Barroso Commission. We know today that Energy Union is about 25 proposals of action. But it is in touch with the European Council. In March, the Council, the heads of state and government, agreed ici to go ahead with Energy Union. So there is a backing. Nevertheless, it's a gamble. No institution has been created. Therefore, the Council of Ministers and the Parliament, both, will have to agree on any legislative proposal. Therefore, Energy Union proposals don't tie anybody, not me, not you, even not the Commission, which can change our view, having seen what blocks and what goes. You see, there is many alternative energy unions. One even possible is nothing, which means EU internal market, business as usual. Energy union only calls for to boost internal market, roughly that's the Euroelectric, Eurogas policy. They put a new tag on the existing institution and business as usual. They call it energy union, they have the right, but they target only internal market, extended to renewable and capacity mechanism, made fully market-based and technology neutral. However, such energy union, business as usual, ends a bit undefined. Member states have strong powers to take outside the market initiative. Let's take Germany, offshore. It turns out that it has been backed by a commission last week, but it was not sure. Let's take Germany energy efficiency push. Will it be compatible or not? Let's take UK, security of supply, being capacity mechanism, plus long-term contract for nuclear, maybe for tidal. And the big offshore program of UK, the first one in the world, and the ISO grid that they create. Market compatible? Not market compatible? European market, I mean. It's open. Therefore, at what speed Commission can follow and catch up member states in this open space being internal market as usual? You have seen a few days ago that the Commission did act against member state capacity mechanism via state-aid inquiry. Commission proposal for themselves now. First, it's more than business as usual for internal market and governance. While Commission is not proposing a fourth package, it really proposed a big upgrade for internal market and governance. First the market, then the market and the governance. You see that for the market we have a big legislative package 2016, the retail and the wholesale, integrating renewable, phasing out market-based support, coordinating capacity mechanism, plus on the top another legislative package, electricity security of supply. We may think to recall the existing national security of supply plan. Not only the market, but also the governance. Commission proposed to review the framework coming from third package for Acer to give it more power, of Europeanizing regulation, but also for the ENSOs to act as regional operational entities. By the way, everything you see in blue is legislative action, so it will be submitted to Council of Ministers and Parliament, so we do not know if they will be adopted or not, and we do not know the exact content. You see also in black other proposals, like giving guidance to regional cooperation, creating an energy infrastructure forum. Being in black, Commission can do, but of course the content is lighter than a legislative which is binding for all of us. Second, proposals of Commission are not business as usual for gas security of supply and external governance. First, security of supply. It is proposed to review the gas regulation, to review this year, next year. You remember that Commission proposes also to act on electricity security of supply. It makes a lot for security of supply, but all through legislative action. You also have implementing existing PCIs with adequate funding. You have a proposed strategy for LNG and storage. And also you have seen in March a test of the feasibility of gas joint buying mechanism at the Council. Regarding governance, external governance, in blue, revision of decision international agreement for Commission, which means Commission could intervene ex ante before signature of agreement of a member state with a third country. Oh, I won't say Russia, I will say Turkey, isn't it? In black now, coordination between Commission, the High Representative Vice President for External Affairs, the Italian, plus member states to create an international diplomacy for energy and climate issues, for example, international treaties, or even to put it with our treaty with the US, the TTIP, or even at WTO. You know also that a new charter, a new energy charter is launched this week or next week, maybe next month, I do not really remember, in Amsterdam. You see that we also can take bilateral initiative with India, with China, etc., regarding this or that cooperation, race, or energy efficiency. And now, sustainability. Again, the proposals of Commission are not business as usual for sustainability. See the amount of blue on my slide. A RES package by 2016-17. And in this RES package, biofuel. A legislation to achieve targets for ETS and non-ETS sector. A full package for road transportation, covering efficient pricing on infrastructure, rollout of intelligent transport, the roads speaking with the cars and the cars exchanging with the road, and enhancing energy efficiency of the road transportation sector. 50% of the pollution we create comes from transportation. And several black action, strategy to facilitate investment in efficient heating and cooling, smart financing for smart building, to push member states and regions to use more of existing funds to renovate buildings, plus a full strategy thinking for transport, research and innovation, and to end, but it's quite logical, to do a review of strategic energy technology plan, SET plan, because SET plan obviously has to be updated. At the end of the end, you may see that several things can disappear for reality. They are only proposals. How to conclude? You will conclude even without me, because the conclusions are obvious. It's a catalogue of alternative energy unions being drafted on the 25th of February. Which unions will we get? I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows. It's to be seen in 2015-2017. And if you want more of this, follow me on Twitter. Already 7,263 tweets. To read a tweet, 4 seconds or 5 seconds if you are not that good, but it improves by doing, learning by doing, you know. Have a good day, and again, I'm very sorry not being with you with this wonderful Ljubljana.